Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which keyboard app supplies the wallpaper, because removing the image in the wrong place wastes time. Once you know the app, back up any custom themes or layouts to cloud or local storage so you can restore them if needed. Then, close the keyboard and open Settings apps. Make sure to access app info for the keyboard. This lets you reach storage and permissions quickly, so proceed without extra steps and get to the removal options now. You now locate the theme or wallpaper control inside the keyboard app or settings language and input, because that is where the image is assigned. Once located, select the default theme or the None option to immediately remove the wallpaper. If the wallpaper is embedded and not changeable, clear app data or uninstall updates to force a reset. This deletes custom images but preserves system keyboards. Make sure to restart the keyboard app after changes so the new default takes effect. You finish by restarting the device and testing the keyboard and text fields across apps, because some apps cache visuals. Once done, verify the wallpaper is gone. If it persists, reinstall the keyboard app or switch to an alternate keyboard and then reapply preferred settings. If removal required clearing data, make sure to restore any layouts or language packs from backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if the image still shows, clear the host app cache or remove any third-party theme manager that might override settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.